Welcome to our channel where we help you troubleshoot your PNC Bank mobile app issues fast and easily. If you're struggling with the PNC Bank mobile app not working properly, you're not alone. Many users encounter issues such as the app freezing, failing to load, or not allowing logins. Here is a simple step-by-step guide to get your app functioning smoothly again. First, ensure your smartphone's operating system is up to date. An outdated OS can cause compatibility problems with banking apps. Next, check for updates to the PNC Bank app itself in your device's app store and install any available updates. This often fixes bugs that may cause the app to malfunction. After updating, try restarting your smartphone. Sometimes, a simple reboot can clear temporary glitches affecting app performance. If the problem persists, clear the cache and data of the PNC Bank app. On Android devices, this can be done by going to Settings, then Apps, selecting PNC Bank and choosing Clear Cache and Clear Data. On iPhones, uninstalling and reinstalling the app will clear the cache. Another important step is to confirm your internet connection is stable. Use Wi-Fi or mobile data that works with other apps to rule out connectivity issues. If the app still won't work, uninstall the PNC Bank app completely and then reinstall it from the official App Store to ensure you have a fresh, error-free version. Sometimes logging out and back into the app after reinstalling can reset any account-specific issues. Additionally, check the permissions the app requires and ensure they are enabled, especially access to the internet and storage. If after all these steps the problem remains, visit the PNC Bank support website or contact their customer service, as there might be server issues or account-related problems needing expert assistance. These troubleshooting steps typically resolve the most common issues with the PNC Bank mobile app. Follow each step carefully to restore your banking access smoothly and securely. Finally, remember to keep your mobile device and the app updated regularly to avoid future issues and enjoy seamless banking at your fingertips.